Good evening. My name is Ashley Johnson, and I will present Organizational Culture of the Oklahoma Healthcare Authority. Topics to be covered are values, behavioral norms, leaders, new employees, culture, behavior, and performance. So there are several values of the organization, but today we will talk about the dominant ones. The first one is accountability. So, Oklahoma Healthcare Authority has a responsibility to purchase healthcare. And not only is this healthcare federally funded, but it's also state funded. And they must hold themselves accountable to our federal oversight called Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or as many people know, CMS. They must also hold themselves accountable to Oklahoma citizens, legislators, and Oklahoma taxpayers. The next value is inclusiveness. OHCA abides by federal civil rights laws and does not discriminate based on race, origin, disabilities, and etc. They also provide free sign language interpreters as well as free language translators. And those are just a few ways that the agency makes it an inclusive place. So some of the behavioral norms that an outsider would notice is the organization is sociable and has high morale. It is not unusual for the CEO to have non-work related conversations with all employees, whether it be in the hallway, in the break room, and sometimes even the bathroom. And the organization was also recognized as being one of Oklahoma's top workplaces, and they were named 2 years in a row. The leaders of OHCA reinforce the values and behavioral norms by holding town hall agency meetings. And leadership closes the agency during these times so that every employee can attend. And usually the meetings are held off campus, not only to promote a sense of transparency, also to house everyone, but it just creates an open forum and dialogue so that everyone can voice their opinion. Leadership also provides free breakfast and lunch during the holidays, a full day of field events, all-star awards. They give awards out to the units that win Halloween and Christmas unit decoration competitions, and just much more. And new employees are socialized in several ways. New employee orientation is required and consists of signing off on the employee handbook, which includes information like dress code, how to fill out timesheets, as well as the absence policy. And all new employees must meet with the manager and a staff member in every unit to gain further knowledge on just who the agency is and what the agency does. The culture at Oklahoma Healthcare Authority has a positive and negative influence on employees' performance. The positive influence is that high morale can increase productivity because it is believed that the happier employees are, the more productivity goes up. The negative influence is that seasoned employees are less likely to be motivated just due to years of being in the same position and performing the same routines over and over. So the organization has a strategic plan, quality improvement plan, and goals they would like to meet. And our mission is to purchase health care in the most efficient and comprehensive manner possible. And our vision is for Oklahomans to be healthy and to have access to quality healthcare services, regardless of their ability to pay. So, in order for us to be effective, all employees must understand the mission. They must act accordingly. And most importantly, employees must remember that every Oklahoman is counting on us to get it right. And this concludes my presentation.